Hi, this is Adrian Ficcioni from AxSys Performance, and this is another video from our AxSys Analysis Dashboard series with today's focus on our feedback feature. Now, if you're having any difficulties with the site, we have an intuitive feedback feature you can use to provide general or specific feedback. Click on the Feedback tab on the right side of the screen. Now you can select whether it's specific feedback, which may be one aspect of the screen that you're looking at, or can be just a general comment about the overall site. Now the example we'll give today will be that on specific. So click the specific button. It then gives you some information about basically how that works. And now what we're going to do is we're going to now select a section of the site that we would like to comment on. Now in this case, I'm going to assume that there's something wrong with some of the data from one of the players that I've captured. So I'm going to select some of the data, this particular section here. I'm then going to add a short description, player data missing, and I can then click yes. I can at that time also, if I don't want the engineers to see who it is that we're talking about, is I can black out a section. So I've pressed the blackout button on the bottom right hand side, and I can then select the details about the actual client and the session. I can black those out. Now at that time I can then press continue, and I'm then able to select from a drop down that this is going to be a problem, an email address if I'd like them to respond and get back to me, and otherwise I can then add another message, say player data missing, question mark. At that point in time I press send feedback. That information now goes to the engineers and they will then start to review the problem and address any issues, and if you're finished you can click back to website and you're now back to where you started.